video, even if she's laughing.
I got new shoes. And they hurt. Like, I have like a blister right here. So, can I sit down?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna try running them over with Adrian's car so that they get like worn in. And I don't want to get my socks dirty, so I'm taking those off too.
Ow.
Hope you don't mind. Okay.
The socks are so chill out.
I think they
Thanks
are.
for leaving them on my seat.
You're welcome. Which way should I put them?
Does it matter?
I don't know.
Right under this tire.
Should I put one under each? Yeah. I'll tuck the laces in.
I still
Hurry
think
up.
this is kind of pointless.
That's okay. We can cut it. Shit! No, don't do it yet! Don't try! You're gonna run over my head!
Wrong way!
Other way. Go again.
Warner Brother!
Okay.
Is that enough?
I think so. They're kind of smushed, so yeah. Alright. I wish we'd gotten better like tire tracks on them though.
You can. Here's your socks that are hot and sweaty and sexy.
Thank you.
Ew. Sweaty socks. Random car!
Yeah, picking his nose.
What? Was he really? Oh,
Or
interesting. Oh,
scratching.
okay.
Does it still have memory?
Yeah.
Cool.
Another random car. Very nice random car.
I
Well, we need to get those people's permission.
No.
Put them in our video.
No.
Told you I don't want to get my socks dirty.
Do you need help?
No, I got it.
She needs very serious help.
I know. I need your help. You, watching this.
Add us on MySpace, please.
Except you're probably already our friend if you're watching this, because like,
We have no publicity.
yeah, pretty much. But that's you.
Woo!
Tell your friends.
Woo!
Tell your friends to come watch me put my shoes on.
I want to help you.
I don't think that's very convincing. Just like, hey, watch an Asian put her shoes on.
People will watch.
Probably. I mean, people love that David After Dentist video, although that's kind of funny.
I laugh
is
at
funny.
it.
Yeah. Ah!
Watch Apprehension too.
For sure.
Yeah, totally.
Comment. I love my fans.
And then when we finish recording, you should like add it and stuff.
Yeah, put it on your profile. Look, I
I
put
still
them on.
have to do that.
I don't think it hurts. I don't think.
How do you not know?
I don't know.
Ta-da!
But now they have like a nice little like dirty rim, but not like the top of it. Look at it. It's only like around the edge. It's dirty. It's kind of funny. Is that
Not
that same
really.
car again?
No.
No.
That would be a Ford. Another random car.
Are they turning left? Yes, they are. Those are the noisy people.
Yay!
Unless you're our friend on MySpace, then you're awesome. Yeah.
Anyone who's our friend is awesome.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
I actually said that like a couple days ago.
Oh. Yeah, so we just finished recording drums for Apprehension and this dreary place called Love.
Bye.
For sure. Are we done? Okay.